Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Moving on through this box of French locks, we got the Heracles Y8. And going by that name, you would assume, of course, that there are 5 pins. So, alright. I see a little something back there. Okay, there's a little pin there. Alright, so we don't want to... Let's see. Can we go in like this? Give me room to get to that pin? Yeah, we'll do that. Okay. Be using a multi-pick 6 again, just because this is actually more restrictive than the other one, the Y7. We got to click on 3. Another click. Okay. It was still binding 4. Whoop. That moved on me, so I guess we'll put a little bit more tensioner in there. 2, 3 again. All right. 4 is loose. I think this is 5. One, 2, 4 is binding. Click on 4. Trying to get past that tensioner. Drop 1. Let's click on 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go back through 1. Okay. Now this one, I seen a note saying we need to do a 180 on this one. So, okay. Remove the tensioner. Oh man, that's going to be a little bit rough. That's some tight warding. Trying to pick like that. Go with a multi-pick 3. Or, let's see if I can do that. Just grab something, a little thin half diamond. I'm figuring this out as we go, so I gotta click there. Nothing on 1. I might have to, let's see. Let me grab a different tensioner right quick. Is it thin enough? Yeah, give me some room on this side. I don't feel anything binding. Do I need to hit that pin on the other side now? Okay, no, I heard something drop though, so apparently we were setting pins. Where's that flag? Okay, we got, I think that was 5. 1, 2. Nothing on 3, 4. 2, 3. Well, I don't know what I did. Let's see. We're figuring it out in real time. We're learning together. Put that other tensioner back in there. See this little tiny flag, that number 10. Oh, there we go. Yep. So I just need a little bit more lift on that one pin. So now we 360 and we're back where we started. So apparently that's just a key control pin or something there for reasons. So, all right, let's get this gutted. That took longer than it should have, but because I didn't know what I was doing. And I should have took the clip off this one, but I didn't think about it. So hopefully this one's easier than some of the others. Oh, hold on. There we go. Jesus. All right. Follower. There it is. Okay. And this has double pins, so stuff's probably going to fall out. Yeah. Well, I dropped at least one pin in my hand. Just, yeah, at least one. Okay, all of them. All right. Okay. Did those just fall through? Yeah, they did. Okay. So, I guess we'll figure those out when we get back. Let's see. So we got torpedo key pins. to just assume for now. I'll put it all back together. Probably very close. As long as the bitting works, it'll be fine. And those are the opposing pins. They should, well, I guess they go both directions. So, yep, okay. So that's what I had to set the second time. Got a standard on 1. Spool on 2, which I did not feel. That 2 was a very low cut. That was a dumb place to put a spool. 3. Spool on 4. Still didn't get counter rotation. 5. And that's it. Alright, so you see the opposing pins. They just fell, the tops just fell right on through. Alright, let me zoom in on these for you. And that's the Vachette. I'm sorry, Heracles. Heracles Y8. All right, thanks.